This is the Yunchi electric sonic toothbrush for adults and kids. Thanks for sending it to us to compare and share this great addition to our dental health. You get the Y7 rechargeable sonic electric toothbrush handle. You get 10 DuPont toothbrush heads, the great travel or storage case, a manual, and a USB charging cable. Now, 4 hours of full charge will last 30 days of normal usage. That's 2 minutes, 2 times a day. It has 5 different cleaning modes. There's white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. Just push the on-off button, then just keep pushing to cycle to your choice of cleaning mode. And each mode goes for 4 30-second intervals, so you can do even cleaning. 30 seconds top, bottom, in and outside of your teeth, with an automatic shutdown when done. Plus, it gives a low battery reminder. It delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute. That's a high frequency power through vibration, and the soft DuPont nylon bristle heads, which can help you to remove plaque, smoke stains, tea and coffee stains, as well as clean your teeth. Sonic electric toothbrushes are said to be 10 times more effective and efficient in your oral hygiene. It's Ipx7 Waterproof for easy care and cleaning, and you can use it in the bath or shower without any concern.